So I made here this cross from the toothpick, and refer to my previous video about how to make this cross with the from St. Michael's video. And here I'm using small pearls to use after the cross. Then I will use, I here crocheted 11 blue balls. That's for my rosary. It will be like that. Then I'm gonna use the big size of the spirals. It will be like that. Then I will attach it to the Virgin Mary's figure. And try again to put it back. To just make it like secured more. Then again return it back. If you want like to learn how to crochet the Virgin Mary's figure, just write the comments, and if you would like to learn it, and I will upload, if you want, I will upload the video later, as I just done it this quickly just to show you how I'm making, like I'm attaching all this. And now we're done with this part. Then I will use another yarn to complete the top part of the rosary. Now to start with the top part, I'm going to start from behind the veil to go to this point. Then we will start with the pearls. I will make it 2 each, and then 1 blue, like that. even when we like make this, we should keep like a space, not to squeeze it. We should make a space between the petals and the crocheted balls, like that. Yes. Then I will complete it the same way until we finish all the blue balls. And this is how it look like. I will finish it and come back to you. And here I finished with the rosary. Hope you like it. If you want, just to tell me from where you are watching my videos, which country, and I will appreciate if you like the video, and just leave like a nice comment, just to know if you liked my project. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on next videos.